Tech AK74U versus
KWA LM4.
full metal, 400 plus feet per second out of the box, approved by Hodges everywhere. Gas Hodges.
Full mil-spec body, 385 FPS out of the box. Approved by all freedom lovers. Magazines way heavier than a fully loaded Stanag mag.
Hey guys, am I late to the parties?
The hell are you doing here, you snitzel-eating crowd? Get out of here!
Yeah, nobody likes Germany. The AK can almost dump a full magazine without cooling down.
The LM4 runs all day, all night, and brings freedom to all the little babies overseas.
Ooh, another M4, how original.
Oh, really? At least my gun doesn't suck up all my propane.
Hey man, that hurt.
Finish him!